Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So this is a video showcasing the latest update for Quoramatic, because until now it was using Bing search to get its links to scrape Quora for content, but this was recently malfunctioning and not working anymore pretty good. Because of this, I added support for the Google search API to get links from Quora to Quoramatic. So to set this up, you will need to update Quoramatic to the latest version and go to the plugins main settings. And you will see here in the Google Search API options, Google Search API key, Google Search API search engine ID. So let me show you how to get this. First of all, let's get the API key. This can be imported if you click here. And here create an account if you already don't have an account on Google Cloud, and afterwards you will be greeted with this similar page, and here you will need to click on create credentials API key. And simple as this, after the processing from Google's part is finished, you will get your API key. Let's copy it and simply paste it in the plugin settings. Afterwards, you can close this, and if you read this question mark carefully, you will see that you will need to enable also the custom search API in Google Cloud Console. So to do this, let's copy the name of this API. So custom search API, you can copy it or keep it in your memory, and afterwards click on library, and when this page appears, paste the custom search API here that you copied or type it, and afterwards this result will appear. Click it, and instead of manage, for you will appear probably enable. So click enable, the big blue button enable, and after you enable this API, for you also the manage button will appear as it appears for me. So after you enable this API, all you have to do is create a search engine from Google and add the CX value for it. So to do this, click on this other link, and this page will appear. If you don't have an account here, create an account and sign in. Afterwards, you can add a new search engine. Search engine name, give your search engine any name. Search engine 1. Search specific sites, search the entire web. Okay, we can set the search the entire web. It's okay because Quoramatic will know to query only results from Quora. Image search, safe search, we don't need them. Okay, and click create. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You can get the key from here, or you can also click customize, and you will be able to get the same key from this page. If you search for search engine ID, we can copy this ID and paste it here. So this is it. You have set up the Google API search engine in Quoramatic. Now all you need to do is go to Quoramatic and query for some stuff. So let's search for laptop, and as you can see, the plugin now will start to work. And here it is, the first question. The response is very limited. If you want to get more in the response part of the post, check the try to get more answer content, level 1. And let's delete this post and let's re-import it. We refresh. We get a bit more of the response. This is actually the full response, first response. If you want to get even more content imported, then you will need to install Puppeteer on your server. I will link in this video's description a link on how to install Puppeteer on your server. And afterwards you can select use Puppeteer here and click save. I have my server who has Puppeteer installed, and let's click run importing again. Now it is importing full answer content using Puppeteer, and let me show you how this will look. So if we go and refresh, you will see that there are many answers here now with details. Okay, so this is the latest update for Quoramatic. Go ahead guys, check the link from this video description. You will find Quoramatic there. Also, if you need to install Puppeteer on your server, you will need a link for this also. You will find it in the video's description. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.